If you've been using Microsoft Edge and want a cleaner, less cluttered browsing experience, one of the fastest changes you can make is turning off the sidebar. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable or remove the sidebar on Microsoft Edge in just a few clicks. This is a simple fix, but it can make a big difference if you want more screen space, fewer distractions, or just a more minimal setup while browsing. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and useful tech tips like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This is the main menu where Edge keeps most of its settings and customization options. After that, from the drop-down menu, click Settings. This will open the browser settings page, where you can adjust the way Microsoft Edge looks and behaves. On the left-hand side, click Appearance. This section controls things like theme, toolbar settings, and other visual elements of the browser. Now scroll through the appearance options until you find Sidebar. The sidebar setting is what controls that extra panel on the side of the browser window. Once you find it, simply toggle it off. As soon as you switch it off, the sidebar should disappear from Microsoft Edge, giving you a cleaner browsing interface. If you ever want it back later, you can always return to the same setting and turn it on again. This is a great option if you don't use the sidebar tools like shopping, search, or quick access apps and just want Edge to feel a little more streamlined. It also helps if you're working on a smaller screen and want to maximize your visible web page area. So to quickly recap, open Edge, click the three-dot menu, go to Settings, choose Appearance, find Sidebar, and turn it off. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to disable or remove the sidebar on Microsoft Edge in a fast and easy way. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.